no.
Okay.
Suck the dick.
Okay. Hit her in the butt. Fuck her till she nuts. I don't give a fuck. But I hate these sluts because they really suck and they want to just get fucked. Oh, let's go. Hit her in the pussy. Bleed like she's on her fucking period. Let's go. She's a mean bitch because she's on her motherfucking period. Go.
I'm the new top level, got the highest score. All these bitches jealous, they call me a whore. Oh, to ignite for some more.
Yeah! Get it, bro. You guys.
Okay. Give me a second. Breeze, yeah, baby. I'm a fucking blessing.
What?
That's right. Can you hear me on the mic? I'll fuck two bitches. Yeah, I like to fuck dykes. Yeah, that's right. I'm the freshest kid in the game. I'm about to be in the motherfucking Hall of Fame. That's right. I'm spitting with my bros and we don't give a fuck. Can we fuck some hoes?
Dykes in the bed. Fuck them till they straight. Cause they ain't want this dick. Cause I'm that great.
Yeah! Alright, hold on, let me get on it. I'm looking in the periodicals, she looking at my testicles, cause I'm the hardest like Hercules. I'll flex on your bros, I'll flex on all your girls, flex on our bitches, cause I'm the hardest. I'll give you stitches, I'll get your missus when I kidnap that hoe. When I broke the chains off those locks, I get up in old bitch and I make her Goldilocks, cause I grab that hair, tell it's farted and party, cause I make her pussy fart, cause I'm the hardest in the bitch.
Herpes is a disease for me. 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 Fuck gonorrhea, syphilis.
Get back on, get back on.
I don't know.
No, it's